Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll walk you through how to fix the globe icon "No Internet Connection" issue in Windows 10. If you're seeing that globe icon and can't connect to the internet, don't worry. We've got some simple solutions for you. Method 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel, then click to open it. Next, click on Network and Internet, which will lead you to several network-related options. Then, click on Network and Sharing Center to view your network connections. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. This will show you all your network adapters. Right-click your active network adapter and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and then click on Properties again. Next, select the option Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type TA 1.1.1.1. This is a public DNS server that can help resolve connectivity issues. For alternate DNS server, type 1.00.0.1. Once done, press OK, then close all the windows. This should fix the issue for you. Method 2. If method 1 didn't work, let's move on to the next option. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now click on Network and Internet to access your network settings. Scroll down and click on Network Reset. This will reset all your network settings. Next, click on Reset Now to begin the reset process. When prompted, press Yes to confirm the reset. Finally, restart your computer to apply the changes. Method 3. If the problem persists, let's try using the built-in troubleshooter. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Update and Security to access troubleshooting options. From the sidebar, click on Troubleshoot. Then, click on Internet Connections to start troubleshooting. Press Run the Troubleshooter and let Windows automatically detect and fix any issues. Click on Troubleshoot My Connection to the Internet for more in-depth repairs. Press Try these repairs as administrator to allow the troubleshooter to fix issues with admin rights. Wait for the process to complete, and once it's done, click Close the troubleshooter. Method 4. If you're still facing the issue, we can try uninstalling and reinstalling your network adapter. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand the Network Adapters section to see your network devices. Right-click on your active network adapter and select Uninstall Device. When prompted, press Uninstall to remove the adapter. Finally, restart your computer to allow Windows to reinstall the necessary drivers. And that's it. If you followed these steps, your issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tech fixes.